Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Wegmans account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by launching open a web browser. Now, go to the URL box and type in wegmans.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Wegmans. To create a new account, go ahead and click on the sign in/register button at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll end up in the sign in page for Wegmans. If you don't have an account yet, simply go ahead and click on this create an account button at the bottom. Now, you'll end up in the sign in area. Start off by typing in your first name in the first text box and then type in your last name on the next. Now enter a valid email address you have an access to in the email tab. Scroll down and create a password for your Wegmans account. While creating a password, make sure the password is at least 8 characters long. It includes one letter and a number. It may also include a symbol. Once you enter a strong password for yourself, go to the next field and re-enter the password one more time. Once both of the passwords in the boxes matches, click on continue. Now, in order to complete your profile, you'll need to enter the rest of the details. Start off by entering your street address, apartment number, post box number, the name of your city, province, zip code, your date of birth, and your store. After filling in all of the necessary details, click on continue at the bottom and you'll now need to verify your account. In order to do that, you'll need to go ahead and enter a phone number. Once you type in the phone number, select if you'd like to receive your code via text or phone call and click on send code. On the next page, enter the 6-digit code that you received via SMS and click on submit code. Now, you have successfully created an account. Click the continue button and you have been logged into your account. So that's how you can easily sign up for Wegmans within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.